welcome to my channel. My name is Sylvia and my channel is all about being creative. Now, I did do a video on putting the box together. However, I've decided I'm not going to put it up and I'm not going to be using that plywood, and there's a reason behind it. I've had a lot of issues to begin with trying to put the box together, and as it turns out, the plywood is literally just falling apart. It's splitting everywhere. So I figure hold off with that till I can go and buy the high grade plywood, which is in Australia the marine plywood, and there's different grades there as well. I want the highest, the top quality one, because I want to make sure it holds together. I mean, the cupboard so far seems to be okay, but it's just when I was putting the box together, it was just, I started gluing here, there and everywhere, and some of the screws aren't holding in despite the fact that I pre-drilled, etc. So yeah, so what I'm going to do is I will think of something else that we can do in the meantime. We're just going to be being very creative. So anyway, I just thought I'll give you an update on that, and my apologies. These are the sort of things that sometimes happen, and yeah, the fact that it's literally falling apart by splitting everywhere, I don't want to put it into my cupboard and it then falling apart on me while I'm using the drawers. So okay, so be sure to give us a thumbs up, because that'll really help us, and be sure to hit the subscribe button and bell notification if you haven't done so already, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.